What's that? It's a tall boy beer. Okay, so we got a new trike here that I'm working on. This video, we're going to show when I got it, unloaded it off the truck, and started tinkering it with it, me and my brother. Plastics over there, seats over there. Carburetor's off. It runs, which you'll see later in the video. I got it. Carbs off. It's at my friend's house getting fixed. He's carburetor wizard. This particular trike is a 1978 Kawasaki 340. I know it looks like it was put together by a drunk welder with a few 8 balls of cocaine in them, but nope, this is just how they look. I really like the foot guards here. Rack. It's belt driven like a snowmobile. I haven't taken that up and apart, see what shape the belt and clutch is in, but after we get it running good, I'll probably be able to tell if I have to take this off. I will have to take this off at some point. Got a battery off the Honda car on here. I just changed the oil, which you'll see in the video too. I put fresh oil in it. It does fire up. I'm going to need new rear tires. The front tire actually looks like it's in really good shape. This back one's got some weather cracking on it and some small splits, but it'll do for a short while we sort it out. Something else funny about this trike is that this looks like a brake handle, but that's your throttle. Is this guy. This is the brake here. It's got one rear brake, and that goes to this drum here. I'm not sure what shape that is, what shape it's in. It seems to work. We'll see how good it works. Probably have to replace the brake. It looks a little bit crusty. This thing is surprisingly crude. I'm not sure if this light works yet. I didn't really test it out, but I'll probably swap it out for a maybe 2 LED pods, or maybe a small bar. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll be able to find another light just like this and put it there, but I think the LEDs would be nice. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. It's got your rack up here for your beers. This is your air filter for it. I think I'm going to use my K&N recharging kit for that. Here's your air intake that comes out of the side here. The plastics are a bit weathered, but they're actually solid. Here's your other light. I'll just wire stitch up this one spot. It's not even bad. The seat is pretty beat up. I'm not sure what I'll do about that yet, but not a big deal. It runs. So I think for in today's market, for 250 bucks, I couldn't pass it up, because it, you know, a lot of toys now like this, these are really getting rare to find something cool and unique like this that runs, and new quads just aren't my thing. Overpriced, in my opinion, for what you get. I do have the key. It has a key start. Here's your choke. And this, I think this switch here was for those lights. Let's see. Okay, they don't work. But we'll figure that out. That's minor. I can rewire the whole lights up. This little thing, I think you could put a rope around there, wind something up if you wanted to pull start it. The electric start works really good on this one, actually. I don't know, with stuff like this, I actually really like the look of it, but some people might think it's ugly. For me, it's a function over form for me. I like something that works really well, even if it's a bit ugly, rather than something that's fancy and expensive, usually. Okay, so we got it running. We've got carburetor back on. It was running good, but it's not moving. So we're going to take this case off, which the previous owner was kind enough to silicone shut. So we split the case open for the belt and the clutch. because this is a belt drive. And we'll see what that looks like. See what kind of shape that's in. And if that doesn't help, doesn't solve it, then it's probably in the rear case where I think this is chains in here. So but I'm just hoping it's a new belt or a clutch, or maybe just, you know, something's easy to deal with. Here, I'll get a little video of it running for you. Runs good. Okay, safe to say this belt is destroyed. It was not grabbing anything. So we'll see if we can find one. If not, I'll have to grab a new one tomorrow.